Hey guys, my name is Nathan Kaplan. I'm the Assistant Chief at Thrust Flight here at our North Texas regional location. Today I'm here with one of our two brand new Seminoles straight from Piper's headquarters in Vero Beach, Florida. And now we're here inside of our brand new Piper Seminole showcasing the G1000 system that we have in it. It is the same exact G1000 that we have inside of our brand new Piper Archers down in Addison, with just a little bit of slight upgrades, which is even better for us. We also have an air conditioning unit in here, just like the Archers do. The amazing part about this AC unit is that even in our 110-degree summer days, we get to run the AC on the ground, so we get to stay cool and stay focused while flying in the air. Another fun bonus about our brand new Seminoles is that they look awesome. We got our great brand new red paint job here, a nice little upgrade to the basic white coloration that you typically see on most general aviation aircraft. So we're really excited to have these two great new additions to our fleet. This just means for our students more opportunities to get and complete their multi-time requirements to get into the airlines. It's always great to fly in comfort, and with these brand new Seminoles, we've got brand new interiors, really comfortable leather seating, which don't get too cool and don't get too hot thanks to the design of the airplane. And combined with our air conditioning, we are staying comfortable the entire time when we're flying, which is really nice when we're learning all the new multi-engine techniques. All right guys, that wraps up today's video. If you've flown in a multi-engine airplane, we want to hear about it. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.